dark burgundy. It's called Deepest Intense Burgundy. You can get this little thing. And the nourishing conditioner. The D in the A.
You gotta put the D into A.
You're gonna make me have to put twerk the soundtrack on this video.
Myrtle.
All together.
Hey, I'm gonna get this dye job. I'm like, what's up? Hello. Hello, Teresita. I need some more tequila.
I dyed my hair burgundy, from red to burgundy, and it basically came out black. Like, when I style it, I'll show you guys how it really came out. I'm using the Maybelline Mousse Foundation. And a Fit Me powder, number 222. And for my eyebrows, I'm going to use this angled brush as well as some gray eyeshadow. And next I'm going to use this e.l.f. black liquid eyeliner. And to contour, I'm going to use this medium-sized brush with this LA Colors bronzer palette. I also like to use this face powder and face powder brush to blend in my contour and my blush. And now I'm going to use this Maybelline Colossal Mascara. And for the next layer, I'm going to use this Luminous L'Oreal Mascara. And this is my favorite. It is NYX Lingerie Liquid Matte Lip Gloss. And that's about it, you guys. This is my natural makeup look that I usually do when I'm, just going out, going to work. Alright guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Hair tutorial, makeup tutorial. It was a very long hair tutorial. Long for me. It takes a lot of time. My arms did hurt, but I really do like it. And I hope you all enjoy.